This is the table convert and line numbering exercise. So it's actually two different assignments in one. So they'll be doing 3 on the first page and then line numbering on the second page. So on the very first one, we have 5 columns, and then we realize we don't need the fourth one, or the fifth one. So we'll select using the arrow pointing down, click. It selects the entire column. From the mini toolbar, click delete column. What it does when you delete it, it then reduces the size of it. It's not going the full length of the document to that 1-inch mark like the one below. If you wanted to stretch it out, choose layout, auto fit, and choose auto fit window. So it's equally divided and goes to the end of the margin. So in your very first row, you want to add a new one above. So choose insert above, merge them together, and then we'll take this title and just drag it here. So it's the title, and then Control E for center. And numbers usually should be right aligned so that the commas or decimals would line up. So in layout, choose right align. And you can center the titles if you wanted, put them in bold. In the next one, again, we need a new row above, so layout, insert above, merge, take this title, Mortgage Alternatives, drag it down, Control E for center, and then you're looking at it and decide it's really not that big of a table, so maybe it wouldn't need to be in a table and just be set off by tabs. So click the table handle, so it selects the entire table, and up in the table tool layout, choose convert to text. And you want it to be separated by tabs, and click OK. And then you just have to actually recenter the title, Control E. So you took something that wasn't a table and put it into just set up by tabs, and then we're going to do the opposite here, something that is in tabs and put it in a table, because it's very messy to look at it this way. The only thing is, do not select the title, the first line, select the column headings and the rest, and then choose Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table. It knows automatically there's 3 columns and 6 rows. Click OK. And then do like you always do, layout, above, merge, and then put your title in there, and Control E to center it. And if you want to get fancy in table design, you can click more and pick something that you'd like. On the next page, this is like a court document, and those are usually line numbered, so select from the beginning to the very end. Choose layout, line numbers, continuous, and it numbers all of the lines for you. So that's your 2 documents. I'll just show you what you have here, and that's a save and submit. Thank you.